If you're creating videos for social media to promote your business, leveraging trends can be one of your most powerful tools because it can give your video massive amounts of reach and engagement for free. But staying on top of social media trends can be exhausting, and figuring out how to use those trends for your brand can be even harder. That's why we've put together this list of 5 trends that have been making the rounds lately, and I'm going to show you how you can recreate them in minutes. I'm going to be sharing with you some ready-to-use plug-and-play templates that you can use for free, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can make the most of these trends. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Hi, I'm Teresa with InVideo, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ideas of current social media trends that you can use as promotional videos for your business. Let's go ahead and jump into trend number 1. The first trend on our list is the TikTok Vogue challenge. This is a really fun one. It's basically where you take your favorite photos and make them look like they are on the cover of a Vogue magazine. We picked this one because it's a great way to show off some of your favorite product photos, especially if you have a lot of great photos of people using your products. We're going to be editing in a free online video editor called InVideo. InVideo has pre-made templates to create all the video trends we're going to be talking about today, and all of the links for these templates will be in the description below, so you can just click them and go directly to each template. So I told you it was going to be easy, so let's go ahead and jump right into video editing so you can see just how easy it really is. I've got the Vogue template open now, and as you can see, it already has a few video clips on the timeline, and it already has the titles created for you. It also has the trendy audio already included, and the photos cut to the beat of that audio. This one starts with a short video clip, and then it has 3 photos. So to upload your photos and videos, click this tab on the side that says Uploads, then hit Upload Media. I'm going to use the example of a hair care brand for this one. So I'm uploading a few pictures of the hair products and people showing off their hair. So these social media trends usually begin with a clip that introduces the trend and what's going to be happening in the video, as you can see. So I'm just going to change the words. To edit the text, click on it, and then come over to the right-hand side of your screen and click Text. You'll see there's a box there where you can edit the text. So maybe I'll say something like, make your hair look so good, you'll look like you're on the cover of Vogue. And then let's plug in our media. So I'm going to start with this hair video for the intro clip. I'm just dragging it onto the clip that's already there. That brings up a screen that says, what would you like to do? Hit replace. And then if you click on the next section, then click timeline, you can see each of the photos individually that are included in this section. And then you can click on them one at a time and replace them with your own photos. And then you're good to go. To save your video, come up to the top right-hand corner and hit the button that says Download and Save. All right, here's the final product. And here's another example of this trend being used for a wedding brand. And here's another example for a baby clothing brand. All right, let's move on to our second trend idea. The next one is the Someone Falls in Love with You TikTok trend. This one could work really well if you have a few pictures of the same product. So let's use the example of a makeup brand for this one. It starts with a short video clip, so we'll put a video of someone applying lipstick, and then we can change the title to say, Someone Falls in Love with Your Lipstick, or fill in whatever product you sell in your shop. For this trend, you need the short intro clip, and then you need 9 pictures. So you can see if you click Scene 2, then click Timeline, there are 3 images included in this section. And then go back to All Scenes, then if you hit Scene 3, Timeline, you can see there are 6 images in this section. So for the makeup brand, we'll put 9 pictures of people wearing red lipstick because that's the product we're selling. So we'll drag our first image on, hit replace, then our second image, and so on. And then as you can see, InVideo automatically adds the zoom in effect, which is part of the trend. So that trend comes out looking something like this.
The trend where you put pictures and someone falls in love with you.
I think I'm falling for you.
And here's another example if you had an art brand. Next, we have the album cover trend. For this one, you need an intro clip and then 5 short video clips. The clips are going to get turned into album covers, so I'll show you an easy way to do that. For this one, we're going to use the example of a restaurant. So for the intro clip, I'm going to use a video of the front of the restaurant. And then we'll say, turning our favorite dishes into album covers. Then take your first video clip and drag it on, hit replace, and then that brings up the video trimmer tool. And InVideo shows you where to cut your video with the dashed line here. Again, the templates have the audio included, and the templates are laid out so that the clips cut to the beat of the music. So you want to make sure you're cutting your clip right where it tells you to, so that it cuts to the beat. So drag your video to that line, and then before you hit done, take a screenshot, and then you're going to use that screenshot as the next clip, the album cover. So take your screenshot and then upload it, and then drag it on, and there's your album cover. So here's how this one looks.
Sky's falling, the wind is calling, stand for something or die in the morning. Section 80, high power.
I love it though, you know?
And here's an example of how it might look for a jewelry brand. I hope you're finding this video useful so far. If you are, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to see more videos like this one. All right, and now let's move on to trend number 4. The next trend is the turning our DMs into quotes trend. This is an easy one. Again, you just need 5 photos, so you can use 5 product photos. And then you're gonna need to go into your DMs on Instagram and pick out a few examples. So I'm gonna use a home decor brand for this example. I'm gonna add the photos in the same way we've been doing, and then change the text. So a lot of brands probably get DMs like, can I get a coupon code? Or can I get free products? So this is a chance to be a little bit funny while showing off your products. All right, here's the final product for the home decor brand.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing.
And here's how it might look for a business that sells shoes. All right, and finally, our last trend idea is the what I mean when I say I'm from trend. This is another one that you just need a few pictures for. I'm gonna use the example of a clothing company for this one. And then to make it relevant to the brand, I'm gonna change the title to say, this is what I mean when I say I shop at. And then I'll just add a few pictures of the clothing like we've been doing. And there you go. So here's how it ends up looking. And here's an example of how it would look for a men's clothing brand. And another example might be for a stationery brand. I hope this gave you some ideas of how you can use these video trends for your own brands. If you liked any of these templates, there are links in the description below that will take you directly to each one. And the best part is, InVideo adds new templates to their website all the time. So make sure you sign up for a free account so you can continue using InVideo to create content for your brand. If you found this video helpful, you don't want to miss this video, where I show you how to use B-roll to take your videos to the next level. Comment below which one of these trends is your favorite. I'm Teresa with InVideo, and I'll see you in the next one.